This is the Albatross 6-in-1 pocket knife. I really like this knife to have on me at all times. It's got a clip so I can hook it onto my pocket or belt, which is really handy. The 6 features are awesome. So it's a knife which has got a really smooth design that opens up, and to close it you just press this in here and it closes back down. But up here you got the knife, then you got the serrated edge here, and then this is a bottle opener for when it's closed. So we can close this down and then we have access to our bottle opener. Front here we have this little light which you can take out and then turn it down, and then you can put it back in here. Nice little light, see where you're going. On the back here we have a glass break tool, so you can smash a window if you need to. And then here you have like a rope cutter or something designed to cut a belt or something like that. And then here is the last one that I'm really happy to have. It's a little fire starter, so you can use your knife to start a fire if you're out camping or maybe in your backyard if you want to test your skills at that. Really nice knife. It's a little bit larger than some of the other knives on the market here, but it's got lots of features on it I really like. It's got a really nice grip here and it doesn't give. It's got plenty of sturdy enough and it won't fold down, which is really nice in a knife. You don't want it to give when you're using it. So if you're looking for a good quality pocket knife that's got a lot of features, I'd highly recommend you get this Albatross 6-in-1 pocket knife.